How to fix Instagram's security code not received error. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix if you're not able to receive the security code for Instagram. Well, if you're not receiving an Instagram security code, it could be due to a number of reasons, including the incorrect phone number entered, any network issues, too many recent requests for codes, problem with your phone's signal, or the code might have gone to your spam folder. Now you can check your phone number, make sure that you have entered the phone number correctly and try resending it. And you can also check your message box and check for spam mails, right? So different here you can see stared messages, you can look into it. However, if it's not the case, if it is still not being able to receive, you want to check your network connection. If you have recently requested the code, if you had recently requested and you are requesting it too frequently, you want to wait a bit before trying again. Make sure your phone isn't on do not disturb mode. If your phone is on do not disturb mode, you might not be receiving the code as well if you're just checking the notification bar. Now what to do if the problem continues? You can try using email for verification. If possible, choose to receive the security code via your registered email address. The other solution is to try and clear cache. So you can simply head into your settings, scroll down and head into the apps option. Here looking for Instagram. Type in Instagram, open it up, scroll down, head into storage and tap on clear cache, and once you do so, it should remove any glitch or the bugs. You can go ahead and try logging in and getting your code again. This is how you can fix Instagram security code not received error. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.